Hey guys, I'm back with one more video. As you can see, this error, we are getting Chrome OS missing or damage. I tried to recover this error by hitting Ctrl D, but it didn't work. So I have created a flash drive with a Chrome OS recovery in it. So I'm gonna plug that in and see if that we are able to recover it. So as soon as I plug it in, it gives me this error. It says the security module on this device is not working. So I tried the Ctrl D, which is the basic thing, or the recover to the flash drive. It didn't work. So I'll show you another way to fix this issue. For that, all you have to do is turn the Chromebook off, wait for a couple of seconds, and turn it back on, and repeat that cycle. And just you have to be patient. You might need to reboot it 5 times, 10 times, 15 times. So we have to be just patient and repeat that step. As soon as you can see that Chrome OS missing error, just turn it off again and turn it back on. So repeat that cycle, and let's see how many tries does it take for us to get it working. So I'll fast forward this video and we'll see how many time we had to reboot this Chromebook in order for it to work. So let's see. Alright, so here's the first reboot. First time I rebooted this Chromebook. Second time. Third time. Fourth. There's the fifth. We go sixth time. We go seventh time. So basically you have to be patient. It might take longer, it might be done now. So here's the eighth time. There we go. So this is how you can fix it. Basically all you have to do is turn it off, wait for a couple of seconds, turn it back on, and repeat this cycle until this it goes back to normal. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.